Hey everyone, you've just sold your old gaming console. You found a buyer, agreed on a price, and the money is on its way. But how long will it take to hit your Monzo account? Let's dive into that. Hook. Ever waited for a package to arrive? That feeling of anticipation, the constant checking of the tracking number? Well, receiving money into your Monzo account is a bit like that, but with less cardboard and more digits. Context. Monzo is a popular digital bank known for its sleek app, fee-free spending, and instant notifications. But when it comes to receiving money, the speed can vary depending on a few factors. Factor 1. Payment method. The method used to send you the money plays a crucial role. Here's a breakdown. Bank transfers. Domestic transfers typically arrive within a few hours. International transfers can take anywhere from a few hours to a few days, depending on the banks involved and the countries. Card payments. Payments made with a debit or credit card usually appear instantly. Mobile payments. Apps like Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Samsung Pay often process payments instantly. Factor 2. Bank hours. Asterisk, if the money is being transferred from a traditional bank, the timing of the transfer can affect the arrival time. If the transfer is initiated outside of the bank's business hours, it might take longer to process. Factor 3. Monzo system. Asterisk, Monzo's system is generally efficient at processing incoming payments. However, there might be occasional delays due to technical issues or high volumes of transactions. Real-world example. Let's say you're selling an old smartphone on a marketplace. The buyer sends you the money via bank transfer. If it's a domestic transfer and the bank is open, you can expect the funds to appear in your Monzo account within a few hours. However, if it's an international transfer or the bank is closed, it might take longer. Tips for faster transfers. Here are a few tips to help speed up the process. Asterisk, double-check the account details. Ensure the recipient's account number and sort code, or equivalent, are correct. Asterisk, use the correct reference. If applicable, include a reference number to help identify the payment. Asterisk, avoid weekends and holidays. Transfers initiated on weekends or holidays might experience delays. Conclusion. In general, Monzo is pretty quick at receiving money. However, the exact time frame can vary depending on the payment method, bank hours, and potential system issues. By understanding these factors and following the tips we've discussed, you can minimize delays and enjoy your funds as soon as possible. End. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.